Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma Costa with Mommy's Designs. In my channel, you will be seeing videos on how to do different kinds of DIYs, from printing to screen printing, to making jewelry, to making ornaments, a whole bunch of different ideas that I have for you. Let's not wait any longer and let's go to the table. I am very excited for this video. I am going to show you a different way to color etch your glasses. So this is the one that I done right here. This is all finished, and I'm using a different technique from the ones that I used to use, and I gotta tell you that this is easier and I really like it a lot. So I'm gonna be using my color, and I'm gonna put description of everything that I use in the description box as always. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab a little bit of the paint, ink, however you want to call it, and you're just gonna get it on a Q-tip, and you're just gonna go really quickly, gonna go across, putting a little bit of pressure into it. You don't need a lot. Spread it out, and right away you're gonna wipe it. And look at that. You can put it in the dishwasher. You can wash it by hand, whatever, it's not going to come off. Very nice and easy, and it's going to stay. You don't have a problem that some areas leaves white spots. None of that. None of that. It's super easy, and I'm very excited about this. Again, everything in the description box. If you have never done etching on your glass, I'm going to put other videos in the description box as well that shows you how to do etching on a glass. But other than that, you guys, this is so easy, so much fun, and so quick that I'm very excited about it. Don't leave it. Try to wipe it right away. Don't leave it. But other than that, you guys, here it is. I love it. Make sure you leave me a comment what you think, if you're going to use it. If you have any questions, also leave me your comments and questions, and I will answer them as soon as I can. Fast, quick, and super nice. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.